Good morning, student. Today we'll discuss about amine. So yesterday I have told about introductory part. Today we'll start about amines. So in amine there is one alkyl group and amino moiety. It may be in ammonia it is NH3 and NH2 in primary amine, NH in secondary, while in tertiary there is only one nitrogen and three alkyl group. So mainly it has alkyl group and nitrogen moiety. It may be NH2, NH or N. Basically it has nitrogen atom. Nitrogen is heteroatom which is present in amine and which bearing lone pair of electron. So these two dots which we have drawn here, that is very important, and it is nothing but lone pair of electron. So that is why it acts as a base and it can donate this lone pair to other acid. It is donated to accept proton. It is donated to acid and that is why it acts as a base. Then we'll see about nitrogen. Its atomic number 7 and electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So in last valence shell it has 3 unpaired electron. So these 3 unpaired electron can form covalent bond with another element. So it has 3 valency because of these 3 unpaired electron. Now when we take example of ammonia, so ammonia having this lone pair of electron, it is in sp3 hybridization state. In one of the sp3 hybridized orbital, this lone pair is available, and that is why due to lone pair, it has bond angle which is deviated from normal tetrahedral geometry, that is 107.8 degree. This deviation due to repulsion between lone pair and bond pair. So there is repulsion between this lone pair and this electron which is present in covalent bond, and that is why there is deviation in bond angle. So when it accepts proton, then it is converted into ammonium ion. This ammonium ion we have to shown by plus sign because there is formation of new bond, and that is why valency became 4. It has to shown by plus sign. Then we'll see about sp3 hybridization state. As I have told, there is repulsion between lone pair and bond pair, and that is why its bond angle is 107.8 degree. Tetrahedral, it is same like tetrahedral methane. Now what is mean by acid which donate proton or which accept electron pair? That is according to Lewis base and Lewis acid concept. While base is species according to Laurie Bronsted, base is substance which accept proton, while according to Lewis, substance which donate lone pair of electron to other, that is base. So in amine again there are two types. If it is attached with straight aliphatic chain, then that is aliphatic amine. If amino moiety attached with aromatic ring, like benzene, then that is named as aromatic amine. In both, amine is functional group. It may be primary amine, secondary amine, or tertiary amine, depending upon how many alkyl groups are there. But this lone pair, due to this lone pair, these are basic as well as act as a nucleophile, that is electron rich moieties. After that, high Ka indicate weak base, low Ka indicate strong base. pKa is equal to negative log of Ka. So high pKa means strong base. So methanamine, ethanamine, propanamine, butanamine we have written, and pKa is now increasing with electron donating group. So we'll see in next slide. Now there is one question. Simple amines are more basic. Simple amine are all more basic, means have a higher pKa than ammonia. And we have to write reason why it is more basic than ammonia. So whenever we are comparing about basicity, you can see in simple ammonia, when we draw structure of ammonia, there is only hydrogen and nitrogen which carry lone pair of electron. But in primary amine, secondary amine, you can see there is alkyl group, maybe one alkyl group, two or three, but there are alkyl group. So as compared to hydrogen, this alkyl group has more tendency to donate electron. So it always push electron towards nitrogen, always donate electron to this nitrogen, and that is why it will disperse positive charge on nitrogen. So whenever there is alkyl group, it acts as an electron releasing moiety which help to stabilize nitrogen carrying positive charge. But in the case of ammonia, there is no alkyl group which can release electron which can stabilize positively charged nitrogen. That is why amines are more basic as compared to ammonia. That you have to remember. Similarly, there may be second question that the order of basicity of primary, secondary, tertiary, you can see secondary is more basic, then primary, then tertiary, and then ammonia. So why secondary are more basic as compared to tertiary and primary? It is because of inductive effect as well as solvation effect. So in secondary amine, it has hydrogen which can form hydrogen bonding with water molecule, and it has two alkyl group which can donate electron which can push electron towards nitrogen. That is why secondary amines are more basic as compared to ammonia and tertiary and primary amine. So next question will be why tertiary is not basic? Because it carry three group, then also why it is not basic? So there is one reason. Basicity is not depend upon availability of lone pair. It is also depending upon solvation effect. But in tertiary amine, as there is no hydrogen, it cannot solvate. It cannot form hydrogen bonding with water. So stability get decrease, and that is why tertiary amines are not most basic as compared to primary and secondary. So For basicity, we have to remember two important points. First is availability of lone pair, and second is, apart from inductive effect, solvation of ammonium ion is also one of the factor responsible for basicity. So two factor we have to remember: inductive effect of alkyl group and second solvation of ammonium ion. Now we'll see about method of preparation of amines. So there are 5 to 6 method. We'll discuss one by one. So first we'll take alkylation of amine. So in alkylation, ammonia we are reacting with alkyl halide. So it is nucleophilic substitution. This halide get replaced with ammonia. So here this ammonia acts as a nucleophile. It attacks on electron deficient carbon which is present in alkyl halide. So there will be replacement of halogen with this ammonia, and when we use excessive, then all hydrogen from ammonia get replaced with this alkyl, and it is simply nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, here it is like SN2 reaction. Ammonia acts as a nucleophile. It attacks from back side on this electron deficient carbon. In intermediate, there is ammonia, there is NH2 group as well as Cl minus attached with carbon. Bond it not formed, and this NH2R bond not yet formed. So it has pentavalent state. After this Cl minus get removed, this bond get break down and new bond get formed, and it is converted into amine. So it is same like SN2 reaction. Instead of OH minus, we are using ammonia, amine or amine. Here we are using amine, primary amine. So similarly, primary amine also undergo same. NH2 act as an electron recenter, nucleophile. It attack on electron deficient R from backside. After this, in intermediate bond it is not yet formed, and this bond is not yet broken. After that, Cl minus ion leave, and this bond is permanently formed, which is again amine. It is secondary amine. Similarly, but it has disadvantage because primary amines further undergo reaction and convert into secondary and tertiary, means there is formation of mixture, primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Sometimes quaternary ammonium compound may be formed by replacement of all. This lone pair also lastly react and accept one proton, accept one alkyl from Rx, and quaternary ammonium also form. Next method is reductive amination of aldehyde and ketone.